Hi everyone, welcome to Technology World Hub. My name is Anil. So today we are going to discuss one most important topic in REST assured API automation, that is limit and pagination. So let's start that. So let's start this. So if you see limit, what exactly to do? Dots. So let's say we have a response. That response content, let's say hundreds or thousands of records or users, but we want to fetch only certain number of users or records. That time we will use limit. Okay, so here in the slow you will see we are using limit 5. So that means what it will return? It returns only 5 employees. Okay, so use for large data set optimization. Let's do this. So let's open my IntelliJ. I'll write down one @ test method. So I'll write down public void. Let's say we can write down something limit check, limit, let's say example, limit example. So what we can do, let's write down rest assured dot base URI is equal to, let's say we can use the previous one, JSONPlaceholder typecode.com. Let's say copy from the previous. Yeah, this one we can use. Okay, so let's use this. This is the base URI. Then next we can write down response. Response is equal to given dot query param. So here we'll pass the limit query param. So underscore. So it will be underscore limit. Always remember it will be underscore limit. So JSON path is designed like that way. So underscore limit, comma, let's say I want 2 records or 2 users. Then dot when, then dot get. So what I'm going to do, I will get let's say slash post slash endpoint. Basically this is the endpoint post. Then what I can do, 1 second, it should be okay. Then next dot then dot extract dot response. Okay, that's how it is. Let's say system.out.println response dot status code. Okay, then system.out.println response dot get body dot age string. Okay, so here what I'm going to do, let's check this URL. If you see here, 1 second, I might open this. Yeah, see the post, if you see it contains hundreds of users. See, it is 100, but my requirement is that from 100 I only need, let's say, two users I require. So let's run this. 1 second, let's run this. So I would expect it will return only 2 users. Let's see that. Let's see, guys. Okay, so let me check. Yes, already it is executed. See, let me execute one more time so that you can see that actually it is little bit okay. So let's run this. One second. Let me make in a proper scale. Okay. So this is the code. Let me execute this. Let's see how. Basically, it will provide two records. Okay, two users from 100 of users. Let's see. User ID 1, user ID 1. That means ID 1, 2. Basically, it return two records or two users. If I'll make, let's say, 3, then it will return 3 records. Let's see it. So if I'll go back, 1 record, 2 record, 3 record. Okay, I did 3. 1, 2, 3. Understood? That's how you can use limit method. So in real time, from thousands or millions of record, if you want some particular record, we can use limit. Okay, that's how limit works. So next, let's go next. Next we can discuss pagination. Pagination example. We can discuss that also. So what exactly pagination is? So basically, let's say we want to fetch page to page 2 first. Page 2, that means second page of the result. It will display. Let's say we have multiple pages, 5 pages, let's say. But we want the result from second page. So that's how we can write down page 2. But let's say we want per page some records. That means per page, let's say we want 5 records. Then we can write down per underscore page is equal to 5. That's how it is. Okay, guys. So let's do that. So let's go to IntelliJ. Then I will write down one test method. So at the test, then I will write down one method public. Let's say void. Then I will write down pagination example. Pagination example. Then one moment. So I will write down rest assured dot base URI. So I will use, let's say, one more like go, sorry, https:// gorest.co.in slash public slash v2. Okay, then I will write down response. The response is equal to given dot query param. So here I will write down page 2. Okay, then basically it will return the second page result, and from the second page result I want it should return per page 5 records. So in that case I will write down per underscore page. So 1 second, it should be string double inverted comma and then 5. That's a power page 5 or 2 records I require. Power page 2 records. Okay, anything. So if we'll go here, then next dot when, then dot, so I'll pass the endpoint get. So here I'll put down slash users. Okay, dot then dot extract dot response. So I'll write down one CSO statement. Response dot status code. Response dot status code. Then I'll write one more CSO statement. Response dot body dot string. Response dot get body dot string. It will display the body. Okay. So before executing, let's find out how many records are there. 1 second. GoRest.com users. Yeah, so here if you see, we have around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 records. So what we are going to here, it will return per page 5 records, per page 2 records here. Okay, basically it will return 2 records, I would expect. So let's run this. So if you see here, it will return only 2 records. Correct. ID. This is one ID. This is another ID. Perfect. So that's how you can write down pagination. Let's say I want 3 records or 4 records. So how exactly it will do? So let's see that. So it will return 4 records. Let's see here. So if you will see ID, 1 ID, 2 ID, 3, 4. Return 4 IDs. Let's say I want only 1 record. Let's run this. Okay, see, it will return only 1 record. So how many record you want, you can pass that. Okay, per page. So first condition was it will fetch page number 2. Second condition is per page 1 record. Okay. So that's it for today. So I will come up with one interesting topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Please like it, share it, subscribe it. Thank you so much, guys.